Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Flodesk emails, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add your logo into your Flodesk emails? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your logo into your Flodesk emails anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important, and by adding your logo, it can add more trust into your emails. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add your logo into your emails, you can apply your logo into each and every email, but that's a manual, time-consuming process. So with Flodesk, you can go ahead and upload your logo, so you don't have to manually add it in every time. And how you do that is up here on the top right, you're going to click on your profile icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on branding. Once you do that, you should see the logo box right here. And all you're going to do is click right here and upload your logo from your desktop. They do let you know it should be PNG, JPG, or so let me go ahead and grab that file type. Okay, now it's uploading. Okay, quick second later, you can see I've now added a logo into my Flodesk account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add your logo into your Flodesk emails, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.